Hello guys, welcome back to Drone Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to take off. We are in Neasden in northwest London. We're not far from Wembley. Without further ado, we are going to take off. I'm going to just go up high in the sky. So we're just going to continue this drone flight. So it's going to go up and with a 360-degree photo. So it's going to go up to the max height. So this is the view that we get. And now we are going to do a 360-degree photo. So alright, 360 photo is complete. We're just going to go down this area now. So there's a lot to explore in this area. So we should explore first. We check out what this chimney is. It looks like a little factory over here. We're going to explore it. So it looks like a little chimney. We're going to go towards that chimney. We're going to just get a shot of it. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see what's down this chimney. Obviously you can't see down it because it's... Imagine I descend my drone in that hole. Oh, then it'll be stuck in there, it'll be lost. Which I don't want to do, so what we're going to do, we're going to see the shadow of the drone on the actual chimney. Check this out. So you can see it, look. I'm going to go to the side of it. Look at that. You can see the shadow of the chimney. It's actually insane. And then we got the other side. It looks like a substation. Power substation. So yeah, let's explore down here now. We're gonna go down. Then we're gonna go to we're gonna explore the side where IKEA is. We're gonna get a shot of IKEA. And Tesco's now down there as well. Gonna get a shot of that area, the main area. So this is just the residential area of Neasden. We're just gonna get a shot of it. I'm just gonna go down. So there's not much to see down here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start heading back. You know that Heathrow, yesterday I actually done a drone flight in Richmond, in southwest London, and there's a flight path which is going direct to Heathrow, right under it. Let's start heading back now. So as you can see, the train line runs right under it as well. We'll see if a train actually comes. So I'm just going to go down this area, down here. I think it's better that we just get a shot of the main area instead of just getting this shot. So yeah, let's go down to this side, but the only problem is that IKEA looks like it's a bit far. What I could do, I could walk towards it. So I can see how to get there, like I can go the way I came. Or I can go down here. Wait, let's go down to IKEA, let's just get a orbit shot of it. So it's really busy, this road. Looks like the A406 road, which is the main road. And we've got IKEA right over here. We're going to get a nice orbit shot of it. And then we've got the other area down here, which is Tesco. Get a shot of that as well. And then we've got the area down here, which is the main part, which is where the station is as well. This is where Neasden station is. I think only that, yeah. Look at that little roundabout here. We've got a bridge over here as well, which is where I walked past to get to this location. There's a footbridge near there. What we can do now, we can get a nice shot of this area. What we could do, we can get a, let's do it fast. We'll go down the road, get a shot going down this road. We'll get a nice orbit shot. We'll just stay here for a little while. What we'll do now, we'll come. Well, let's explore down. Let's explore more of IKEA. I feel like I could just fly my drone directly to that stadium, but obviously we're gonna go too far, so we're not. Because from here, it looks like it's really close. I'm not sure how, but from the drone, it looks like it's really far. I think it's large. I think it's small and close, but it's actually a huge stadium. That's why. So the perspective makes everything look large. It looks like I could just easily fly my drone there. But if we try and go there, we're obviously going to go out of range really quickly. So here I'm not really out of range, but if I go all the way down there, we're going to definitely be out of range. And I flew in that area anyway, so we're just going to stay around here. Let's get a nice shot. We'll just stay around this area. We'll get a sideways shot of IKEA. And we'll get a backward shot of the area down there. So we've got McDonald's there as well. We'll just stay here for a bit and just get a static shot of this area. Let's just stay here for a bit. Let's go around. We'll go down here. Actually, if we go down there, we'll go a bit far. Let's track something back. Like, for example, this black van. Stop that traffic right now. Actually, let's follow something like iconic, like this light blue car. We'll follow it, and we'll see where it's going. Looks like it's going at the McDonald's drive-through. Just stay around there. Let's just follow a different vehicle, like this red car. So we'll follow it back to this area. We'll go down here. We'll go a little bit lower as well because we've got range. I'll go back to Neasden, where the trains are. We'll get a stack shot of this area. Come a little bit back. The train's moving now. We'll just stay here for a bit. Get a shot of it going down there. There's a train depot down there. I think that's the Jubilee line or the Metropolitan line. Either two of the trains come down here. It goes through here, but it doesn't stop at Neasden. Gonna come back to the area. Actually, while we come back, let's get a sideways shot of the area. Look, there's a building down there. We didn't get a shot of that yet. We should have done that a long time ago, but we're low on battery now. But we'll still get a shot. So I'm not sure what building that is. We might not have time to get a shot of it, but I just want to see what it is. So you've got traffic going through there. So as you can see, it's a huge building. We'll just get an orbit shot of it, and then we'll just land the drone because we don't have enough battery. Because this is probably an iconic part of Neasden as well. Alright, I could land the drone and get a shot of it with my Action 5 camera, but it's going to be hard one-handed, so I'm just going to land it. I'll land it as quick as possible. Because I have to land it away from the sun, otherwise it's gonna affect my eyes when I look in the sun too much. All right, drone flight is complete. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight I did here in Neasden, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.